Good morning. Now I will teach you how to put the service mode. This one, Toyota hybrid car. Because we need to clean injector cleaning using by the machine. Yeah. Because this one need to continuous running the engine. But this one hybrid, they have a stop engine and go, no? So I will teach you how to put in the service mode this Toyota hybrid car. So first one, click the push button 2 times. 1, 2. Press pedal. 1, 2. Accelerator pedal. Put neutral. Press accelerator pedal 2 times again. 2. Push brake, put park, push pedal 2 times again, and you see, showing that one. CD, showing that one, the maintenance mode. Then you can start. The start. I see. Now continues running the engine, showing that one CDY 2E. Now the engine continues running. We need to clean this one using this one. Fuel injection system. This one we need to put in the machine, that one. So yep. If you finish, just turn the switch off only, then coming that one normal. So that's all. Thank you. Have a good day.